We have a wide range of products which we produce from emulsions, various raw materials. They can be liquid or dry, plant-based, animal fats, etc. in small bags or even in big bags. My name is Stefan Runge. I am the head of production here. As I said, we produce on both towers for 365 days a year. Actually, it all began in 2019 when we decided to rebuild Tower 2. We then thought, how are we actually going to manage that without having to invest an enormous amount of money? Still was my first point of contact, because Still has been our long-standing main supplier for many years. The installation of this device is very simple, and we said we'll start with this technology and we would really like to see how it works live.
When a command is sent out, the vehicle receives the command to start. This is done via a specified route, which we determine in advance in a plan with the customer. It then follows this route to the drop-off or handover point. My name is Stefan Schuster. I have been with Still for 14 years. An iGo Easy project can be implemented relatively quickly. We only need a few days. We mount the reflectors on the walls. The map is drawn once, and after 1 or 2 weeks at the latest, you can already see the first results. With iGo Easy, we have the absolute advantage that we as service technicians can put the system into operation ourselves. We can streamline and simplify processes, and that makes us pretty flexible. We can start with small processes with just 2 or 3 points that we are currently serving, and then we can expand as needed. That's no problem. We can go up and store at different heights. We have taken a basic truck, which is already very good, and we have built automation on top of that, which is even better. Then we have this really great display where the operator can see the status of the truck.
All I can say about this project is I really liked how it went. All in all, I have to say it was a very pleasant experience working with Still. I would do it again anytime. Yes, I can only recommend it.